some really cool balcony design ideas for your apartment. If you're a person who likes to have a quiet, comfortable and peaceful environment, then I'm sure आपको अपना balcony या कोई भी outdoor space है वो decorate करने में काफी ज़्यादा मजा आता होगा. Hi guys, this is Vaishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm an architect and interior designer, and on this channel I make videos related to interior designing and architecture. So in this video we will be talking about the balcony design ideas, and also I will share some references with you guys so that you have a better understanding, and also I'll talk about certain design elements which you can incorporate in your balcony while actually designing the space. So I hope you guys find this video informative and helpful, and without wasting any further time, let's get started with this video. But before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to it. The perfect outdoor space. Now, if you want to create the perfect outdoor space, what is that element that you can add in your balcony to actually make it a happy place? So for that, my answer is the swing. Now, swings are something which we always used to love in our childhoods, and it always used to take us in our happy place. So I think adding a swing in your balcony can completely transform your outdoor space, and it can definitely make it a happier place. Now, next element that you can add in your balcony is to add a lot of greens. Now, greens can be in the form of plants, and it can also be in the form of carpet. That can actually enhance the complete look of the balcony. You do not need to add a lot of plants if you're adding that grass. And also this same green grass you can add in the vertical form as well. I'll share some reference images here so that you have a better understanding. Plants can be something which definitely adds life to any space, be it outdoor, be it indoor. So I would suggest to add a lot of plants in your balcony. That is going to lift up the mood of the entire balcony. Third very important element to add in any kind of balcony, be it bigger, be it smaller, is the seating arrangement. So if you have a smaller balcony, you don't have to add any bulky pieces. So you can add a small poof kind of seating on the floor that is not going to take a lot of space. You can throw in some pillows. You're good to go for that smaller space balcony. Now, if you have a bigger balcony, seating arrangement can be in different forms. You can do a seating on the ground. You can either add furniture pieces. You can also add bean bags. You can add small chairs. You can add a combination of bean bag and poof, and center table also you can add. Now, if we are talking about small space balconies, then sometimes there are cases where you have a very small balcony, right? You cannot just do anything in those balconies. You can just add a very colorful chair, and with that you can add a very small coffee table. So just a combination of chair and table. Now, there is very interesting balcony design idea that I want to share with you guys. So if you are someone who likes to have a traditional touch and you like that wooden element, in that case is you can add some wooden tiles in your flooring. That will give you a wooden deck kind of a feeling. If we're talking about wooden element, then there is another design that I want to share with you guys. So if you have a bigger, very big balcony, you can create heights in the floor. You can create a deck sort of corner in one part of the balcony. Apart from that, what I like to add is to add some different colors, some popping colors. So colors like yellow, orange goes really well with the balcony. I personally like orange very much. So I got a bean bag which is in the color of orange. A bean bag and this footrest I got from Amazon, and this is really, really good quality, guys. So if you want to check out this combination, I'll add the link in the description box. You can check out. Now, it would be really unfair if I don't talk about wicker furniture pieces. Now, wicker furniture pieces are something which are like very old style and very traditional, and they're actually in trend right now. Now, these come in different colors: black, brown, white. Some other colors are also available. So I'll share some links with you guys in the description box. You can check out. These furniture pieces come in the set of combination. So that depends on you what kind of combination you want to use according to the space you have. And this is very simple design idea that you can do for your balcony. You don't have to do much. Just add the floor tiles, some pattern floor tiles, and just add a furniture piece and you're good to go. If you want to create a very cozy sky bar sort of balcony in your apartment, you can add some fairy lights. Now there are different kind of lights available. So this one is my favorite. It has all the stars. It comes with multiple strings attached to one string. So this looks really nice. There are lights available in which you get big bulbs. That also you can add. So here is the picture. You can check that. And now talking about to create a bar sort of corner. So what you can do for that? So if you have a very small space, so you don't have to add bulky bar storage unit there. You can obviously store those bottles inside the house. But what you can do is you can create a platform sort of or just a ledge sort of thing. So it is not going to take a lot of space as well. उसमें आप foldable ledge ले सकते हो जो कि है ना fold हो जाता है. You don't have to add a fixed ledge. उसके साथ में you can add some really cool industrial sort of bar stools जिनका height जो होता है काफी ज्यादा high होता है, तो वो भी आप add कर सकते हो. Another great example for a simple balcony. What you can do in that case, grass जो होता है green वाला grass carpet, that you can add. You can add some wall hangings. You can just add a small circular coffee table, and with that you can add a foldable chair. So that is not going to take a lot of space. Also, you can just fold the chair and keep it somewhere in the balcony itself. So you'll have all the space as well. You know, it will look more open. अगर आपकी बालकनी ऐसी है जहाँ पे रेनी सीजन में पानी अंदर आता है एंड यू कैनॉट रियली एड दोज फर्नीचर पीसेस विद कुशन इन इट, सो इन दैट केस यू कैन एड जस्ट metal furnitures. They also come in different colors, but if you don't get a particular color, then you can obviously just paint it yourself. Those are the furniture which you can keep it in the balcony, like you don't have to move it, you can just keep it there and it will not really affect anything because they are metal, so it's just very convenient for you to keep such furniture in the balconies where you get water coming from the rain. I really love the yellow colored chair and table here, and also you can use blue color, you can use green color, you can use red color. Please use orange color because I love orange color. I was talking about creating a reading corner. So if you are someone who likes to read in the morning, you want to have that cozy corner in your balcony to enjoy a cup of coffee or just to read, then in that case I will definitely suggest you to have a beanbag and the combination of that footrest. That is really going to look amazing. So beanbag actually is not very comfortable for your back, I know that, but if you want to spend some time, like half an hour, then for that I think it's okay. If you have a very big balcony and you want to create that outdoor balcony, but again with that you want to have that privacy element in your balcony, now what you can do in those cases, then you can add some blinds. वो blinds से क्या होगा, you can also create that privacy element, you can also have that open element because obviously you can adjust the blinds. Now I will give you another very interesting scenario. उसमें क्या होगा, if you are living on a higher floor, like आप 10th floor पे रहते हो या 11th floor पे रहते हो या उससे और ऊपर वाले floor पे रहते हो, in those cases you have a really good view, right? And sometimes you have friends coming over, you have family members coming over, and you would want to have a dining session out in the open, right? So these balconies are perfect to have those sessions. So what you can do is you can just again have that ledge where you can keep your utensils, where you can keep your plates and your food. Moving on, another thing that you can add in your balcony as a design element is upholstery. Now what I mean by this is you can throw in some cushions, some pillows with really nice upholstery in them. So that will create a bohemian sort of theme in your balcony. Usually these pillows and these cushions have textured fabric, so that again adds a lot of depth in the design elements. So this is the kind of cushions I'm talking about. So this is just white cushion that I have. So isme you get lot of colors. You can add elements like this in your balcony and you are good to go. Now I don't want to miss this point because this is also a very practical scenario where you have kids in your house and you want to create some sort of corner for your kids as well in the balcony. So what you can do is you can add like a seating sort of arrangement, 2 small chairs, 1 small table in the center, and you can add some toys and you can create that kind of corner as well in your balcony if you have a very bigger balcony in that case. Another example that I want to share with you for the balcony is related to the reading corner where you can store your books as well, so it will be easy for you to just grab a book and read. जितने भी ideas मुझे समझ में आ रहे थे balcony से related, design elements and colors and furniture, so we talked about all these elements in this video. We also talked about lights. I tried to cover as many scenarios as possible for small balconies, for bigger balconies. I just hope you guys find this video informative and helpful. If you did like this video, please share it with your friends and let me know how you are using certain design elements to decorate your balcony. And that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing interior designing related videos, and also press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications for my future uploads. That's it for this video, guys. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye, take care, signing off.